ladies and gentlemen. The partnership between the government of Tripura and Tripura Grameen Bank in our shared commitment.
States, because every state has one Grameen Bank now. So the performance.
तो फिर से एक बार
हाँ बोलिए नहीं हुआ दोबारा
Package for all the central government employees, and I think last year it was brought, end of last year or beginning of this year, and public sector banks, which are bigger banks, they are slowly extending it to state governments also. But I am very happy that TGB has emulated the initiative of the bigger banks, and maybe the features which I have heard, maybe at some places the features which are being offered as a part of the salary package are better than bigger nationalized banks, and I am hopeful that the government employees of state of Tripura they will be eager to take benefit of the salary package and the additional benefits that which come as a part of this. About Tripura Grameen Bank, I would say that I have been working with various Grameen banks in the country in my previous assignment, and there I have seen that reputation of Tripura Grameen Bank is unparalleled in the country. In fact, the way Tripura Grameen Bank responds to the calls of the state government of Tripura, whenever there is any initiative or anything, any requirement of the state government, Tripura Grameen Bank is the first one to respond. And I am very proud to say that the contribution of Tripura Grameen Bank, despite its small size and small capital base, to the various schemes of Government of Tripura, to the various schemes of various ministries of Government of India within Tripura, is commendable and very praiseworthy. I think the contribution is even at par with the largest bank SBI, or in some places better than that.
Much more than the signing of a formal agreement, it represents the beginning of a stronger institutional partnership aimed at providing better banking facilities, enhanced financial security, and superior customer service to the employees of the government of Tripura. Tripura Grameen Bank has always believed that banking is not merely about accepting deposit and extending credit. It is about building relationships based on trust, accessibility, and service excellence. As a scheduled bank owned by government, Tripura Grameen Bank has consistently worked towards financial inclusion and economic development across every district of Tripura. Today, with our extensive network of branches and customer service points, we remain committed to serving every section of society, from villages to urban centers, with professionalism and dedication. The salary package scheme that we are launching, though this MOU has been designed after careful consideration of the financial needs of the government employees. It offers a comprehensive suite of banking and financial benefits under one umbrella. The scheme provides personal accidental insurance with substantial coverage of 1.25 crores, year accidental insurance benefit up to 2.5 crore, attractive concessions on home loan, car loan, and education loan, waiver of annual maintenance charges on debit card, concession in locker rent and remittance charges, free checkbooks and digital banking facilities, auto sweep facilities for better returns on idle balances, and several value-added insurance benefits for employees and their families.